Experiencing voice control issues with your Rogers Ignite TV remote? Specifically, is the microphone not responding? You're not alone. Rogers Ignite TV, which uses the Xfinity platform, relies on remotes like the XR15 or XR16 with voice control. The most common problems involve pairing issues, settings misconfigurations, or even hardware faults. The first thing to check is the pairing between your remote and the Ignite TV box. Make sure the box is in pairing mode, usually indicated by a flashing light. Also, ensure your remote's batteries, typically triple, are fresh. Low battery power is a frequent culprit. Interference from other Bluetooth devices can also cause problems, so try moving any nearby speakers or devices away from the TV box. Rogers is also offering virtual assistants and app-based diagnostics to solve these issues. Look for error codes on the screen like V101, which indicates a mic fault. To fix mic pairing issues, start by repairing the remote. Press and hold the voice button, which has a microphone icon, for 3 to 5 seconds. If repairing doesn't work, try a manual reset. Hold the Setup and Xfinity buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. Next, access the settings through your TV menu. Go to Settings, then Remotes and Accessories, then Voice Control. Here you can calibrate sensitivity, enable or disable features, or reset the remote to factory defaults. Make sure the remote's firmware is up to date. Rogers also provides an app that allows for remote pairing directly from your phone. If issues persist, try powering off the Ignite box for 10 minutes, then repair the remote. If interference is causing problems, try changing the remote's Bluetooth channel in the Settings menu. Keep in mind that user error, like improper pairing, accounts for 40% of voice control problems. Looking ahead, by 2026 to 2027, universal pairing via Wi-Fi 6E is expected to improve these issues significantly.